What is order management? If you are taking purchase requests from clients and organizing, tracking, and fulfilling them, you're involved in order management. Order management is all about the administration of everything related to processing orders for products or services. Put simply, order management means keeping track of purchase requests, that is, orders, and managing customers, individuals, processes, and whatever else is needed to fulfill those orders. It is a crucial part of a business's operations. It is also a term people use in the securities and commodities markets. In this sector, order management is a description of the electronic systems that help brokers accept their customers' orders. It also helps them fill those orders. According to Oracle.com, order management is the process of order capturing, tracking, and fulfilling customer orders. The order management process begins when an order is placed and ends when the customer receives the package. In the world of business, the system that automates and streamlines order processing is called OMS, which stands for Order Management System. An OMS is a computer software system that companies use for order entry and processing. An OMS continuously updates inventory data and provides a record of all customer returns and refunds. It also keeps the database of sellers up to date, provides payments and billing data, and general ledger information. Until the mid-1980s, most businesses used paper processes for order management. This work today is mainly done by computers. However, a surprising number of companies are still using obsolete paper processes to take and track orders. One of the biggest problems with using a manual order management system is that pieces of paper can get lost. Companies that use manual systems have significantly more fulfillment mistakes than their computerized counterparts.